Welcome! Our wide selection of listings helps you find a place you'll feel right at home in. This video is brought to you by your real estate agent, Jenny. This home is a great choice for those looking for comfort, convenience, and the privacy of their own home. And it's located in this area. Currently listed at just over $300,000. It's been on the market since April. This property was built in 1987 and features over 2,300 square feet of living space and gives you the room you need for a spacious layout. Inside, you'll find 3 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 3 full bathrooms. But let's talk about what really makes this home stand out. This home also features some other great amenities, like a swimming pool for those hot summer days. All these great features add up to a property that might be not just your next house, but your next home. Thanks for watching.